Okay, welcome back. This time we'll replace the small gear stick for high and low and difflock. Just as part 1, you don't have to remove floor mats, handbrake lever or whatever. This is much easier, so follow this tutorial. You start by removing the gaiter from its groove and push down the gaiter. Then you need to heat the gear knob with a heat gun to get the glue to loosen up. Then use your gloves and twist the gear knob left and right, and when it feels loose you pull upwards with some force and it will come off. Clean the plastic part on the gear stick with brake cleaner or IPA alcohol. In the package they sent me a small tube of primer, so I put the primer on the plastic part and then let the primer dry for 3 to 5 minutes. There was no glue in the package, which is a little bit strange, but I used this glue that I had at home, and it's great for plastic and metal. I cleaned the new gear stick and then pushed it down as far as possible and twist to the exact right position. When the glue has dried, remove the masking tape and flip the gaiter back into its groove on the gear stick. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe for more tutorials.